Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this tutorial, you learn about the application of the part design tool called Involute gear. You also learn how to create a Spur gears and Helical gears and the ways to invoke this tool. This part design tool is called Involute gear. This tool allows you to create a 2D profile of an involute gear or spline. This 2D profile is fully parametric and can be padded with a part design pad or part design additive helix feature. First, we create a 2D profile with the help of Involute gear option from part design menu. From this 2D profile, we can create a Spur gear or Helical gear. Now, our profile is ready and we make it solid pad. We extrude it to the thickness of some mm. Helical gears are similar to Spur gears, except that the gear's teeth are at an angle with the axis of the gears. Here, you find the way to invoke the part design Involute gear tool and the steps to create Spur gears and the Helical gears. To add a hole, select the face where you want the hole to be, create a new sketch on that face, and draw a circle. And use the pocket tool to create a hole. In the following examples, I will show you the application of the Involute gear tool to create the Spur and the Helical gears. Create the first body and rename it. Select Involute gear tool from part design menu. The 2D profile has been inserted like here. Now we will customize this profile according to the requirement. I will change the module to 5, number of teeth to 30, and I will keep the pressure angle by 20 degrees as it is. It is not high precision gear and it has external teeth. Now our profile is ready and we make it solid pad. We extrude it to the thickness 20 millimeters. Now, we will create a hole for the shaft. To add a hole, select the face where you want the hole to be, create a new sketch on that face, and draw a circle. Make the 2 points symmetry to the center axis. Remove unnecessary edges. Click Close to exit the fully constrained sketch. use the pocket tool to subtract the circle from the gear. Select Through All option. Now, we have a spur gear with a hole. Now, I will create again new sketch on the face to reduce the weight of the gear. Select the sketch and use the pocket tool to subtract from the gear. We create a symmetry plane to mirror the new pocket. Position the symmetry plane in the middle of the gear. Press the mirror tool. Select Transform Tool Shapes and then add the feature pocket. Select Reference and then the datum plane. The pocket is mirrored. Now I will create another new spur gear. Hide the first gear. The second gear is active. The procedure is the same as the first gear. I will change the number of teeth to 15 and I keep the other parameters the same. Create a hole. Unhide the first gear. Both gears overlapping each other. Now we will move the second gear, which is a smaller one, to the pitch of our first gear. We move the second gear in X direction. Put the value of X here. Use this formula. Module multiplied by number of teeth of the first gear 30 plus number of teeth 15, the second gear, and divide by 2. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. Now I will create a third body for helical gear. Helical gears are similar to spur gears, except that the gear's teeth are at an angle with the axis of the gears. Rename and activate the body. Hide the first and the second bodies. The 2D helical gear profile is the same as spur gear. Now customize this to D profile according to the helical gear requirement. Select the axis and then the mode and set the other parameters. The next steps and procedures are the same as the previous examples. You will get different result when you change the mode or the parameters. That is for today about the application of the Part Design Involute gear tool in FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.